They get upset. And some of us get upset about my language towards Obas.
Fadil Adams.
And I need you to listen to me carefully in terms of what these people are doing, what these people are trying. You'll see that they are handing out title deeds in the colored areas now. Now, this is a befakte election ploy. It's mal. No? I want you to understand this, that your DA doesn't give a shit about you or your kids. That the only reason they're working so hard in the colored community now is because of the NCC, because of Gandhi honor. A food parcel is not going to cut it anymore. A shitty blue sweater is not going to... Die faal wijn wat julle soos mense gee daar in die buitedorp is not going to cut it anymore. Until you realize the title deeds that they're giving away. You see the flats, Atlantis, Lavendale Park with Manenberg, Hanover Park. They want to give those title deeds to our people, but there's a strategy to it. They want to get rid of the flats. The flats that they've never maintained because they allowed their friends to steal the budgets. They allowed their friends to steal the budgets that was meant for the upgrades of the flats continuously for decades. I'm happy to name their friends right here. See if any of these companies can do a thing. Fulcon, Acom, Oricon. Sue me. We must know you stole the money. We have the proof. Now, here's my bugbear. I gave that proof to a man you called, some of you know, and if you don't know him, you haven't missed much. He's called Tertius Simmons. I said to him, here's the smoking gun. They ran away with our money. This is why Lavendale's windows can't open. This is why Manenberg's staircase is falling down. And this is why, this is why the plumbing in Atlantis is in Asmoor, because they ran away with the upgrades money. You know what Tertius Simmons did? He did the grand total of fuck all. He looked the other way. Now, this is a politician. Yeah, and the flats still have asbestos roof, but they're trying to give away title deeds. Now they got to spend money. Now they got to spend. They're not happy about spending big money in your neighborhood. Make no mistake about it, but they don't have a choice. Because there's a party at work that's making them work.